Good morning, students. I will continue the remaining problems of the tangent normal problems of 6.3. Tangent and normals. Okay, on this concept topic, this is 6.3 exercise. Question number, next question 16. 16. Show that the tangents the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x square plus 11. This is the curve at the points where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. Okay. What is the question? Show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x square plus 11 at the points x is equal to and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. So the two tangents are parallel at the point x is equal to and minus 2. What is the meaning? Two lines are parallel means their slopes are equal. So what will show? The tangent slopes both are equal at the points that will show. Okay. Right. Given curve. First of all, take given curve. Given curve y is equal to 7x square plus 11. 7x square plus 11. Slope of the tangent dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 7 constant x square derivative 2x, 7 into 2x plus 11 derivative 0 plus 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 14x. dy by dx is equal to 14x. Okay, clear. So, are parallel. We'll see. Dy by dx at x is equal to 2. dy by dx at x is equal to 2. That implies 14 into 2. Therefore, 28. 14 into 2. That is value is 28. And next, dy by dx at the point x is equal to minus 2. At the point x is equal to minus 2. What is this value? Minus 2 means 14 into minus 2. Therefore, that implies this is minus 28. Show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x square. Y is equal to 7x square. Oh, sorry. This is 7x cube. This is 7x cube. 7x cube plus 11. 7x cube plus 11. Then this curve is 7x cube. Then this derivative 3x square. 3x square. What will change? We'll see. 7x cube means x cube derivative. 7 is constant. X cube derivative 3x square. Plus 11 derivative 0, then 7 3 is 21. 21 minus at 21 x square, that implies at 2 21 2 whole square, that implies 21 into 4, therefore 84. 84 is the slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2. and another tangent at x is equal to minus 2. Now what is dy by dx? 21 x square, that implies 21 minus 2 whole square. 21 minus 2 whole square, 21 into 4, it's also 24. So slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2, 84, at x is equal to also 84. So therefore slopes of the two tangents at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to minus 2 are equal. Therefore the tangents are, therefore the two tangents are parallel. Therefore the two tangents are parallel. So this is the point. Okay. Next problem. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. Correct. 17th. Find the points. Find the points on the curve. On the curve y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Y coordinate of the point. Right. Given curve. Okay, what's given curve? Y is equal to x cube. Given curve is y is equal to x cube and slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to the y coordinate, and this is 1. Y coordinate is equal to the y coordinate and it y. So what is differentiate 1 with respect to x, equation 1 differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Dy by dx is equal to 3x square. But dy by dx, by the given statement, slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. In place of dy by dx, take y value. Y is equal to 3x square. But actually y is equal to what from the equation number 1? X cube. But y is equal to x cube. But y is equal to x cube. But y is equal to x cube. Substitute there. Therefore, x cube is equal to 3x square. X cube minus 3x square is equal to 0. X square is common. X minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Okay, they ask find points. Find points means y coordinate also. Put the value for x is equal to 0. What is y coordinate? Y is equal to x cube y is equal to 0 whole cube, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 3, okay, what about y? Y is equal to 3 whole cube, y is equal to 27. From this, one point is 0, 0, second point is 3, 27. These are the points on the curve at which slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So, like first of all, take y curve y is equal to x cube, and given statement dy by dx is equal to y coordinate. Then differentiate with respect to 1 x with that equation 1, dy by dx is equal to 3x square. But dy by dx is equal to y, take y is equal to 3x square. But y is equal to, given from the curve, y is equal to x cube. Substitute, find x, and x has two values. So we find out y values also, 2 points. Next, for the curve AD, for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power of 5, comma, find all the points, find all the points at which, find all the points at which the tangent passes through. The tangent passes through the origin, passes through the origin, passes through the origin. Okay. Here from this given curve 4x cube minus 2x to the power of 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Here condition is equation of the tangent passing through the origin. Equation of the tangent passing through the origin is the condition in this one. So first of all, let it be the points. What you will find the points later? P x1 y1 be the one point, let it be point on the curve. Okay, given curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power of 5. Okay, slope of the tangent, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 4 of x cube derivative 3x square minus 2 is the constant, x power 5 derivative 5x to the power of 4. Let it be at x1 comma y1. At x1 comma y1, that implies 4 3s 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 to the power 4. This is the slope of the tangent. Okay. Right. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to, equation of tangent, y minus y1 is equal to slope. Here slope m divided by x is equal to x minus x1. Therefore, y minus y1 is equal to, what is divided by dx? Means slope 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 to the power 4 of x minus x1. This equation, the tangent passes through the origin. This equation passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. Okay. In place of x and y, substitute 0, 0 minus y1 is equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4, 0 minus x1, 0 minus x1. Okay. Right. Minus y1 of, here also minus, take here minus x1 of 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4. Minus cancel. What is y1? So actually from the curve, this is the from 1. From 1, y1 value 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5 is equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 power 5. Okay, I'll take the sides. 10x1 power 5 minus 2x1 power 5 minus 12x1 cube plus 4x1 cube is equal to 0. 10x1 power 5 minus 2x1 power 5, that is 8x1 power 5 minus 12 minus 4, 12x1 cube minus 12x1 cube plus 4x1 cube is equal to 8x1 cube is equal to 0. 8 is common. Remaining possible value x1 whole cube is possible. x1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies x1 cube minus x1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's take this side 0 by something 0. From this, x1 cube is equal to 0. That implies x1 is equal to 0. From this, x1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. This can be written as x1 plus 1, x1 minus 1, a square minus b square formula. Therefore, x1 is equal to 1 comma minus 1. So finally, what are the values? x1 is equal to 0, minus 1, or else minus 1, 0, 1. We want points. Points we substitute there. So these are the x1 values, minus 1, 0, 1. We want y values also. If x1 is equal to 0, what is y1? y1 is equal to 4 of 0 minus 2 of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 point 0 comma 0. 1 point is 0 comma 0. Next, if x1 is equal to minus 1, if x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 4 minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole power 5. That implies minus 1 to the power of odd number, minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 to the power of odd number, minus 1 only. So that implies minus 4 minus into minus plus 2. Therefore, that implies minus 2. Second point is minus 1 comma minus 2. Next, third point. Third point. If x is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 4 of 1 whole cube minus 1 power 5. Therefore, y1 is equal to 4 minus 2. y1 is equal to 2. Therefore, third point is 1 comma 2. 0 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 2 are the points. They ask for the curve, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay. First of all, from this curve, find out the slope of that one. And next, equation of tangent. From that, given condition. What is the given condition? The tangent is passing through the origin. Substitute origin value 0, 0 in place of x and y. You can answer x1 values minus 1, 0, 1. And we again substitute in the car. So then the points are 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and 1, 2. Okay, 19 and 20 problems will do homework. Next 21. Find the equation of the normals to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, x cube plus 2x plus 6, which are parallel to which are parallel to the line, x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. Right. First step, find given curve. Find the equation of normals perpendicular to the tangent. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So y means it is perpendicular to the tangent. Suppose this is the curve, this is the tangent, so this is the normal. This is normal. This one tangent. So that's why this slope is equal to m1. What about slope of this normal? Minus 1 by m1. Minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Okay. Given curve. What is given curve? Y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. Y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. Okay. Right. This is the given curve. Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Okay, dy by dx. Slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2. 3x square plus 2. Slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 3x square plus 2. Okay, right. Given equation, given line equation is x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. What is slope? Slope is equal to minus x coefficient divided by y coefficient. This is direct formula without conversion y y as a subject, y is equal to x plus c minus x quotient minus 1 by y quotient 14 minus. Okay, suppose this is the curve. For example, this is the tangent, this is the normal, this is the line. What are this line? This line is x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. This normal is parallel to this line. Normal is parallel to this line. This is the normal. Okay, this is the perpendicular to the tangent. This is the normal. Okay, this normal is parallel to this line. This line equation is x plus 14y. Clear? This is x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. For understand this curve, just understand that curve. That is not like that. Okay, this is the normal. Normal. Find the equation of the normal to the curve which are parallel to the line. So the normal is parallel to the line. Two lines are parallel. What is the meaning? Two lines are parallel means their slopes are equal. So normal slope and line slope equal. What is normal slope? Already found that dy by dx value, slope of the tangent 3x square plus 2, slope of the normal minus 1 by dy by dx. So this is the normal slope. This slope and this slope both are equal. That implies slope of the normal is equal to, by the condition, normals is parallel to, which are parallel to the line. Slope of the normal is equal to slope of the given line. Slope of the normal minus 1 by 3x square plus 2 minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 14 minus both sides cancel. So cross multiply. Okay. 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. 3x square is equal to 14 minus 2. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 12 by 3, 4. X is equal to plus or minus 4. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So we want to find points. Y means find the equation of the normals. Equation of the normal means y minus y1 is equal to slope of the minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. That's why we want point. So therefore, if x is equal to plus 4, if x is equal to plus 4, from this curve y is equal to, let it be, this is 1, equation number 1. From 1 y is equal to 4 cube plus 2 of 4 plus 6. So that is equal to, what is this value? Y is equal to 4 cube value 64 plus 8 plus 6, 64 plus 6 78. Therefore, 1 point is 4 comma 78. Next, if x is equal to, x square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. So this is 2, total value also change. Y is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 6, that is plus 6 plus 4, 10 plus 18 plus or minus 2. So here 18. Now if we take x is equal to minus 2, if x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to, from 1, y is equal to minus 2 whole cube, 2 of minus 2 plus 6, this is plus 6, That implies minus 8 minus 4 plus 6. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12 minus 12 plus 6. So that is equal to minus. Therefore, second point is minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 comma minus 6. Now we will find the equation of normals. Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to slope, already slope minus 1 by 14. Y which is parallel that one is same slope, minus 1 by 14 of x minus x1. Therefore, what is y1 value? Well, consider at equal normal at first point. What is first point? 4 comma 18. Suppose you take at 4 comma 18. Y minus 18 minus 1 by 14 x minus 4. 14 take this side. 14 of y minus 18 minus x plus 4. 14y 18 14s 32 4 plus 3 72 8 1 2 15 252. Okay, that implies minus 252 minus x plus 4. Take this x plus 14y minus 256 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation. Next up, equation of the normal at second point. What is second point? At minus 2 comma minus 6. At minus 2 comma minus 6. Same. Y minus y1 is equal to slope of the normal minus 114 of x minus x1. X minus x1. Y minus of minus is equal to minus 1 by 14 x minus of minus 2. So y plus 6 minus 1 by 14 x plus 2 14 side 14 of y plus 6 is equal to minus x minus 2. 14y plus 6 14s 60 plus 6 4s, so 84 is equal to minus x minus 2. So finally the clear value x plus 14y 84 minus to take this side plus 2 14y plus 86 is equal to 0. So this is one normal equation and this is one normal equation. Okay, find the equation of the normals to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So first of all, for the curve, given curve, find slope of the tangent, and slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So form, and parallel to the line means slope of this line and slope of normal both are same. So that is equal. From that you find x value. X value substitute in the given curve, you get answers y coordinate value. First point and second point. Equation of tangent, equation of normal. Equation of normal at 4 comma 18 y minus y1 is equal to slope of the normal into x minus x1. So see, and equation of the normal at the second point y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. So substitute these values and finally got answer x plus 14 by 86 from the normal, and this is the second. 23. 22 do homework students, and 24, 25 also homework. 23. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles. At right angles, if 8k square is equal to 1. Suppose two curves cuts through the two curves. Suppose these two curves, this is one curve and this is one curve, intersect. What is given? Intersect at right angle. Right angle means cuts orthogonally. Orthogonal means actually angle between the two curves. What is the meaning of angle between two curves? Means nothing but angle between the two tangents. Angle between the two tangents. Suppose this is the tangent of this first curve. This is the tangent of this second curve. Angle between the two tangents intersect here. Angle between the two curves is nothing but angle between their tangents. So means what is given? Angle between the two curves cut at right angle. Cut at right angle means perpendicular. That means angle between two of them is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Two lines are mutually perpendicular. So intersect mutually perpendicular. What is the meaning? M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Okay, na? Angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. Then slope of the first two line into slope of the second line is equal to -1. Use this concept. We'll show that if 8k square is equal to 1. So given two curves, they intersect at right angles means angle between the two tangents is 90 degrees. That is nothing but indirect slope, product of the slopes is equal to -1. So then we'll show that finally 8k square is equal to 1. Okay. Right. Given curves x is equal to y square, this is first one, and xy is equal to k, this is second curve. Okay, right. Anyone substitute this value, x is equal to y square, substitute in this one. X is equal to y square, substitute into x plus y square. Y square into y is equal to k. Then y cube is equal to k. Y is equal to k to the power of 1 by 3. Y is equal to k to the power of 1 by 3. From this, that implies from 1. So this is y point, y1 point, that is nothing but a point. Both are intersected at one point. From 1, x is equal to y square. What is y value? X is equal to y value k to the power of 1 by 3. K to the power of 1 by 3 whole square. X is equal to k to the power of 2 by 3. Therefore, the curves intersect at the point what? The point x1 y1 is equal to k to the power of 1 by 3 2 by 3, x coordinate 2 by 3 k to the power of 1 by 3. They intersect at this point. Right. Intersect means one curve is substituted in another, get a point, intersecting point, k to the power of 2 by 3, k to the power of 2 by 3 k to the power of 1 by 3. Now from 1, what is 1? X is equal y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. We find out the slope of the first curve. differentiate with respect to x, with respect to differentiate with respect to x, 2y, y differentiation dy by dx, x derivative 1, x derivative 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y, 1 by 2 into y. Okay, dy by dx at k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 into k to the power of 1 by 3. This is, let it be, first term means m1, let it be m1, right. Next, from 2 what is 2? xy is equal to k, differentiate with respect to x, with respect to x, uv formula, u into v, derivative of the product rule, v into du by dx, x derivative 1 plus u into v derivative dv by dx, y derivative dy by dx is equal to, k is the constant value 0, right. X into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Therefore, m2 dy by dx at the point k to the power of 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3 is equal to y part minus k to the power of 1 by 3 divided by k to the power of 2 by 3. So what is given? Given two curves given two curves cut at right angles, cut at right angles. Okay, so product of their slopes, that implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That implies, what is m1? 1 by, okay, right here, okay, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. What is m1? 1 by 2 into k to the power of 1 by 3 into minus of k to the power of 1 by 3 divided by k to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. This must cancel. So k power 1 by 3, k power 1 by 3 cancel. Therefore, 1 by remaining value 2 into k to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1. By cross multiply, 2 into k to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So, to remove the cube root, cubing on both sides. On both sides. What happened? Okay. 2 into k to the power of 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 1 whole cube. 2 cube into k to the power of 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 1, 3 cancel. 8k square is equal to 1. So this is the remaining, means required. So 8k square is equal to, okay. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles. So cut at right angles means product of nothing but angle between the two curves is 90 degrees. That is nothing but angle between the two tangents of the curves is at right angles. That is product of the slopes m1 and m2 is equal to minus 1. Apply the condition. First to find slopes. Next apply the condition. Get answer. 8k square is equal to 1. Okay students, we will continue next class.